Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your Dropbox account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To log into your Dropbox account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Dropbox login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link displayed on the page. It will take you to the login page of Dropbox. You can either log in with your Google account or Apple account. Enter your email address and click on Continue. Enter your password associated with your Dropbox account. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. Tap on Remember Me in case if you want your account to be remembered next time or not. After entering your username or password, click on Login. This is how you can log into your Dropbox account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.